Imagine stepping foot on an alien planet. Your surroundings are unlike anything you've seen before. Welcome, space enthusiasts, to our journey through the cosmos. It's a world of endless possibilities out there, beyond the familiar skies, amongst the stars. Alien planets, or as the scientists call them, exoplanets, are celestial bodies that orbit a star outside our solar system. These planets present a smorgasbord of conditions, from scorching hot surfaces to icy landscapes, from planets made of diamonds to those raining glass sideways. The sheer diversity of these distant worlds is nothing short of fascinating. Our universe is vast, and its scale is barely conceivable. Within it, there are billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. Around these stars, it's estimated that there are even more planets. Some of these exoplanets are much like our home, Earth, while others are wildly different, almost fantastical. Yet for all their diversity, these alien planets share one thing in common. They have piqued human curiosity. We look at these far-off worlds and wonder what lies there. Could there be life? Could humans survive there? These are the questions that have driven space exploration and research for decades. In this series, we're going to explore these questions. We'll delve deep into the extreme conditions that exist on alien planets and discuss how humans might adapt and survive in these environments. From planets where a year lasts just a few Earth days to those where the force of gravity is so strong it would feel like being squashed. We'll take a look at it all. We'll journey to the planets with temperatures that could melt lead and those so cold they could freeze carbon dioxide. We'll venture into the worlds where the skies rain molten iron and those with storms that last for centuries. And we'll ponder on the most intriguing question of all. Could humans ever call these alien worlds home? So buckle up as we delve into the unknown and discover what it means to survive on an alien planet. To survive, it's crucial to understand. So what do we know about alien planets? Our understanding of alien planets, or exoplanets as they are scientifically known, has grown exponentially over the past few decades. We've discovered thousands of these celestial bodies, each one a unique world, with its own set of characteristics. Atmospheres on these exoplanets can vary dramatically. Some may have thick, dense atmospheres filled with carbon dioxide or methane, while others might have thin or virtually non-existent atmospheres. These atmospheric variations can yield a spectrum of climates and weather patterns, from scorching heat waves to freezing cold snaps, from tranquil skies to violent planet-wide storms. Gravity, too, is a significant factor. An exoplanet's mass and size will determine its gravitational pull. Some planets might have a gravitational force much stronger than Earth, which could make movement difficult and place intense pressure on the human body. On the flip side, a planet with lower gravity could lead to muscle atrophy and bone loss over time. As for the potential for life, that's a question that has intrigued scientists for years. The search for life beyond Earth focuses on finding habitable zone planets. Those that are just the right distance from their star to possibly have liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. However, it's important to remember that our definition of life is based on Earth's conditions, and life on other planets could look very different. Recent discoveries and ongoing research continue to reveal fascinating insights into these distant worlds. For instance, researchers have detected signs of water vapor in the atmosphere of K218b, a planet over 100 light-years away. Meanwhile, on the planet GJ1132b, scientists have discovered a strange phenomenon, a rocky exoplanet that appears to be regenerating its own atmosphere. While there's much to learn, it's clear that survival on these planets would be an extreme challenge. Now brace yourselves as we dive into the extreme conditions that exist on these otherworldly landscapes. Imagine an environment where the temperature is enough to melt lead, or where the air is so corrosive it could dissolve your skin in seconds. Welcome to the extreme conditions found on known alien planets. These environments are not only extreme but also diverse, ranging from scorching hot to bone-chilling cold, from crushing pressures to almost no atmosphere at all. Let's start with the temperature extremes. On one end of the spectrum, we have planets like Kepler-70b. This is a planet where the daytime temperatures can reach over 4,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of some stars. On the other end, we find planets like Ogle 2005 BLG 390 LB, where the temperature can drop to a frosty minus 220 degrees Celsius. Next, let's talk about atmospheres. Some planets have atmospheres so dense and heavy it would feel like being hundreds of meters underwater. Then there are planets like Coro 7b, where the atmosphere is thought to be composed mainly of rock. Yes, you heard that right, rock. In fact, conditions there are so extreme that it rains pebbles. And let's not forget about radiation. Planets like PSRB 1257 plus 12d are constantly bathed in lethal levels of radiation from their parent pulsar. A brief visit to such a planet without proper protection would be quickly fatal. But the extremes don't stop there. Some planets experience gravity hundreds of times stronger than Earth's. Others are racked by storms far more massive and violent than anything we've ever seen. These conditions, extreme as they are, expand our understanding of what a planet can be. They challenge our preconceived notions of habitability and push the boundaries of our imagination. These conditions seem inhospitable, but could humans find a way to survive? It's a question that scientists, explorers, and dreamers continue to grapple with as we reach out into the cosmos. The answer might not only shape our future, but also redefine our understanding of life itself. Humans are resilient. We've survived in Earth's harshest environments. But how would we fare on an alien planet? The answer to that question is complex and multifaceted, but it hinges on two key elements: our ability to adapt and our technological ingenuity. Let's explore this further. Surviving in extreme conditions is nothing new for us. From the icy tundras of the Arctic to the scorching deserts of the Sahara, we've proven time and again that we can adapt and thrive. But alien worlds present challenges that are, well, alien to us. One strategy to overcome these challenges is through advanced technology. Imagine suits that can shield us from hazardous elements, devices that can extract breathable air from a planet's atmosphere, or structures that can protect us from extreme temperatures. These may sound like science fiction today, but remember, so did walking on the moon just a handful of decades ago. Another strategy is terraforming, the act of transforming a planet's environment to make it more Earth-like. This could involve altering a planet's atmosphere, temperature, topography, and ecology. A daunting task, no doubt, but one that could potentially make an alien world a new home for humanity. Lastly, we might consider bioengineering. This involves altering our own biology to better suit an alien environment. It could mean genetically modifying ourselves to withstand extreme temperatures, to breathe different gases, or even to survive without food or water for extended periods. These strategies aren't without their ethical and practical dilemmas, of course. The line between survival and playing God can be blurry, and the risk of unforeseen consequences is ever present. But the question isn't whether we'll face these challenges, it's how we'll overcome them. As we look to the stars and dream of new worlds, we must also look within ourselves. Our survival in extreme conditions hinges not just on our technological prowess, but on our adaptability, our creativity, and our indomitable spirit. With our innate adaptability and technological prowess, survival on an alien planet isn't beyond the realm of possibility. As we stand on the precipice of interstellar exploration, the question remains, can we survive on alien planets? Today, we've journeyed through the remarkable realm of alien planets, delving deep into their unique characteristics and the extreme conditions they present. We've also explored the sheer tenacity of human survival in these daunting environments. Now it's time to gaze into the future, to speculate the role of humanity in this vast cosmic theater. The future of space exploration brims with thrilling possibilities. Scientists and engineers worldwide are already developing advanced technologies to help us adapt to alien environments. From terraforming, the hypothetical process of modifying an alien planet's atmosphere, temperature, and topography to make it Earth-like, to bioengineering humans to better withstand the harsh conditions, the potential solutions are as diverse as they are fascinating. But it's not just about survival. It's about thriving in a new world, about creating a sustainable ecosystem that could support generations to come. It's about cultivating alien soil to grow our food, harnessing alien resources to fuel our needs, and ultimately, about building a new home among the stars. These are no small feats, and they require us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and ingenuity. But if history has taught us anything, it's that humans are remarkably resilient and innovative creatures. We have always found ways to adapt and overcome, to turn challenges into opportunities, and to make the impossible possible. So, can we survive on alien planets? The answer might still be shrouded in the unknown, but the potential is certainly there. The next few decades will be crucial in shaping our interstellar future as we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its secrets. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and explore the cosmos, who knows what future discoveries might transform our understanding of survival on alien planets. Until then, keep looking up.